let's getting started. So class, that is about for the human heart, and after that we have to make the physiology of it. And if I'm talking about for the physiology of human heart, the heart is involuntary, but it would be controlled by pacemaker. But if I'm asking about Herman, your mic would be disturbing me. Kindly mute it. Okay. नहीं, कल की क्लास रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई है. आज स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास. If I'm talking about for human heart, it would be controlled by the pacemaker. But if I'm asking you about for the part, that what is the thing which is responsible for controlling the pacemaker? Where does the heart receiving impulse from the pacemaker? The pacemaker of the heart getting impulse from where? Yes, class. Yes, SAN. Yes, but very well. SAN getting the impulse, but where does it getting the impulse? So it getting the impulse from brain. And if I'm asking about which part of the brain getting is responsible for controlling the heart, yes, very well, it would be medulla oblongata. Now, one thing I'm gonna have to be clear for sure over here, that when I'm talking about for all those body part which is being involuntary, it have to be controlled by ANS. All those body working which is being involuntary in nature, it is being controlled by ANS, which happen to be as autonomic nervous system, and they all are being controlled by a part that's called medulla oblongata. That's a part of the brain. And if I'm asking you that medulla oblongata, we have discussed about whole of the stuff in chapter number 3, coordination and control. That medulla oblongata will be present where? In brain. Medulla oblongata will be present on the fore part, mid part, or the hind part. Very well, it will be present on the hind brain. Very well. Okay, so SAN receiving the impulse from medulla oblongata. Now, class, I'm gonna have to show you one thing over here, that the heartbeat would comprise how the heartbeat which have to be produced. The heartbeat will be approximately 4.8 seconds. 1 minute it beats to for 72 times. And yes, class, the heart beats when the SAN get the impulse. The SAN getting the impulse, which is being present on the right hand side, on the right auricle. So class, for heart beating, the thing which acting as a pacemaker, you know it, that it referred to be as SAN, sinoatrial node. And yes, class, the heart would performing a rhythmic action in a way that when SAN receive the impulse, it responsible for the contraction of both auricle. It is responsible for the contraction of both auricle, and one of the synonym of the contraction. If I'm asking over here to my student that what is the synonym of auricle? Sorry, synonym of contraction. If we are studying heart, I'm saying the word contraction. So what is the synonym of it? I hope you are getting prepared for the English part as well for the MD and I have to let me know. No. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन साइनोनिम पूछा है, एंटोनिम नहीं पूछा. देखो, एंटोनिम ऑपोजिट होता है, साइनोनिम मतलब सिमिलर मीनिंग. Yes, very well, Ibad. It is systole. Very well, Ibad. Not shrinkage. It is systole. If I'm asking about for contraction, it meant to be as what? It meant to be as systole. And if I'm talking about for relaxation, it meant to be as diastole. Very well. That is the thing which you're gonna have to remember. Now come on to the part that when SAN getting impulse, the both auricle performing auricle systole. When SAN getting the impulse, SAN performing auricle systole. And if I'm saying about for auricle systole, I'm saying about for both of the auricle. If I'm talking about auricle systole, I'm talking about for both auricle systole, the left and the right, both contract, both systole at the same time when it get impulse from the SAN. Sorry, when SAN getting impulse, the both auricles simultaneously contracted or systole at the same time. And yes, class, when the both auricle would be contracted at the same time, the ventricle performing diastole. When SAN getting the impulse, the auricle systole occur, and when the auricle systole occurs simultaneously on the next side, the ventricle diastole occurs. As you can see it over here, that is the auricle and that is the ventricle. When auricle systole, the ventricle would be relaxed, and when the ventricle systole, the auricle would be relaxed. So class, auricle systole occurs, so ventricle would be relaxed, and when the ventricle systole occurs, the auricle would be performing diastole. So they both works in a simultaneous manner. SAN पे जब impulse आ रहा है brain से, so it is responsible for the contraction of auricle systole. Now class, what do we mean by the word systole? Systole means transfer. Systole means what? Transfer. When the blood would be contracted, the blood would be transferred. And what do we mean by the word diastole? When the blood, when the chamber would be relaxed, it gonna fill up. तो यहाँ पे एक एक वर्ड थोड़ा सा टारगेट करो. Systole means when the auricle would be systole, it means it is responsible, it is transferring the blood. जब auricle systole हो रहा है, जब auricle contract हो रहा है, तो it transfer the blood. And when it performing diastole, it become fill up. यहाँ पे मैं एक एक वर्ड देखो, मैंने तुम लोगों को chambers भी एक एक वर्ड पे टारगेट किया. artery, vessels, ये सब one word पे target किया. And if I'm asking about systole, it's another name is for contraction. And when does this contraction occur? The blood would be transferred. And what about for diastole? If I'm asking about for diastole, it meant to be as for what? Relaxation. And if I'm saying about for relaxation, it meant to be as for what? It meant to be as for fill up. So that is the thing which you're gonna have to work upon. अच्छा, अब मुझे एक बात बताओ. When SAN getting the impulse, what happened? What happened, class? If the SAN getting the impulse, auricle systole. Auricle systole means auricle contract. And when auricle contract, it transfer blood to where? That is the thing which you're gonna have to make the answer. Ariba, Filza, Ibad, Mas, Rahil, if you're being there, Abdullah Shahzad. Yes, very well, Ibad. It transfer blood to ventricle. And when ventricle contract, it transfer blood to where? When ventricle contract, it transfer blood to? When ventricle contract, it transfer blood to arteries. No, yes, to the arteries, to the blood vessels. Very well. I hope V2024 kindly put up your name over there. It would be highly appreciated you giving the answer to class. That is the thing which is being working simultaneously at the same time. Now class, I just gonna have to say SAN when getting the impulse, auricle systole, ventricle diastole. Auricle systole means auricle would be contracted and it transfer the blood to ventricle. And when ventricle diastole occur, it means it would be relaxed. It means it fill up the blood which is being transferred by the auricle. पर ये देखो ना यहाँ पे कि जब auricle contract हो रहा है, तो it transfer the blood. It transfers the blood to where? It transfer the blood to the ventricle. And ventricle would be in a position of relaxation. Ventricle would be in a position of diastole. And if it is in a position of diastole, it is getting the blood in. So that is the thing which you're gonna have to make up on for auricle systole and ventricle diastole. And now I have to say auricle systole occur, ventricle diastole. But how the auricle would be diastole and how the ventricle performing systole? When does auricle would performing diastole and ventricle performing systole? Yes, class. Yes, Ariba. Yes, by means of AV node. Very well. So class, see the thumb of mine. That is the upper one which shows the SAN. When SAN getting the impulse, it contract the auricle and makes the ventricle relax. As the AVN, that is the second thumb shows up for the AVN. As the AVN getting the impulse, it contract the ventricle and simultaneously at the same time, the auricle getting relaxed. So that is the thing which you're gonna have to know about for the working. And let me show you over here that when AVN, I'm gonna have to make it over here, when AVN performing its working, when the impulse would be transferred from SAN to AVN. So what happened at the same time? The auricle have to be performing diastole, whereas the ventricle performing systole. So when auricle would performing diastole, अब AVN node पे देखो, auricle performing diastole, and when the auricle performing diastole, it getting the blood from where? When auricle performing diastole, it getting blood from where? From, नहीं भाई, When auricle diastole, yes, from vein, very well. When auricle diastole, it getting blood, its chamber become filled up by the blood which is being transferring by the vein. Either it would be the vena cava, either it would be the superior vena cava, either it would be the inferior vena cava, either it would be the pulmonary vein. Either it will be the pulmonary vein. So you're gonna have to remember that auricle diastole, it means auricle become relaxed, it become relaxed, so it become fill up, and auricle become fill up by the blood of vein. So that is all the thing which you're gonna have to remember about the part of heart beating. Okay. Now one more thing, that when heart beat, how does heart produce its sound? How does heart produce its sound when it's gonna beat? Yes, class, I'm asking about the part. No, not the hissing. Hissing is the sound when the heart does not performing beating well. पहली तो ये बात याद रखना. Limbed up नहीं, lubbed up. That is what called lubbed up. That is the working order of heart. That is the heartbeat produces lubbed up. That is the working, or that is the sound which have to be produced when the heart performing its working. The heartbeat simultaneously divides into the two part, lub dub. And now what do you mean by the word lub, and what do you mean by the word dub? When does lub would have to be produced, and when does dub have to be produced? Lub ka produce hoga, dub ka produce hoga. Any specific thing which you're gonna have to say it over here? Ventricle systole produces lub. Ventricle systole, when ventricle systole occur, the blood is being transferring to the pulmonary artery and it produces lub. Okay. And then does dub gonna have to be produced? When ventricle systole occur, I'm being confusing on the answer of my students. Ventricle systole that produces lub, systole, dub, diastole. When ventricle diastole. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got the point. I got the point. Now I'm gonna have to make a certain thing. I'm gonna have to say when the blood is being transferred from auricle to ventricle. Class, let me assure one thing over here. When the blood is being transferred from auricle to ventricle, what is the sound which have to be protected? When the blood which have to be transferred from auricle to ventricle, अगर blood auricle से ventricle में जा रहा है, so which sound gonna have to be produced? Okay. And how does the lub would have to be produced? What is the striking valve by which the lub sound would be produced? कौन सी चीज से strike कर रहा है blood to producing the lub sound? Yes, class. Yes, the lub sound would normally produces by the striking of blood on mitral and tricuspid. So, bhai, ye yaad rakho. Lub sound. How does the lub sound would have to be produced? You're gonna have to see it over here. When the blood is flowing from right auricle and from left auricle to the ventricle, and the blood is again want to transfer back onto the auricle, but it would be stopped by tricuspid and the mitral valve. And the striking force of the blood on tricuspid and mitral valve produces the sound lub. And when does the dub gonna have to be produced? Yes, when the blood is striking from vessel to the semilunar. Blood arteries में चला गया, artery से दोबारा ventricles में आना चाहता है. The striking force which prevent the blood that do not have to come onto the ventricle, it is semilunar valve. And when the blood is strike onto the semilunar, it produces the sound that's called dub. So yes, that is the thing. अब थोड़ा सा और इसको complications में लेकर आते हैं तुम लोगों के लिए. Now class, when SAN getting impulse, which sound have to be produced? Lub dub, Heart murmur, hissing. When SAN getting the impulse, which sound have to be produced? Are you sure? By V2024, kindly make your names correct from the ID. But why? What is the reason that all of you are saying the SAN? When SAN getting the getting, अच्छा देखो, अगर यहाँ पे पूरी वर्किंग थोड़ा सा समझो. यस अरीबा, सब डब डब कह रहे हैं, अरीबा इज मेकिंग देयर पॉइंट लव. तो आप जरा सा यहाँ पे देखते हैं ना. When SAN getting the impulse, both of the auricle would have to be contracted. Auricle contract होगा, ठीक है, auricle contract होगा. And when auricle would be contracted, auricle performing systole, so its blood is coming onto the ventricle. भाई SAN, when SAN getting the impulse, the auricle would be systole. देखो भाई यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है auricle systole, auricle contract, and if it is contract, it transfer its blood. And when it transfers its blood, the blood is coming onto the ventricle. And from ventricle, the blood strike back again onto the auricle, and that way it would be hidden by tricuspid and mitral and produces the sound lub. You're gonna have to watch your points. Okay, na? And simultaneously, when does the dub have to be produced? When the AVN occur, when AVN getting the impulse, the auricle would have to be performing diastole, and the ventricle have to be performing the systole. It means the ventricle is transferring blood to the auricle. Sorry, the ventricle is transferring blood to the arteries. So, sorry, I have to watch my words. The ventricle is, when AVN getting the impulse, auricle diastole and ventricle systole. Ventricle systole matlab ventricle is responsible for transferring the blood. Where does ventricle is transferring the blood? To the artery. One for the pulmonary artery and one for the aorta. So class, from aorta and pulmonary artery, the blood want to strike back into the ventricle, but is stopped by semilunar and produces the sound that is called dub. Okay, I'm just making it once again. I'm making it once again. Just hold up. Okay, the next thing which I'm going to have to make up over here, that is when the septum. Okay, now I'm going to have to, sorry, not about for the septum. When the pacemaker of the heart, that is what SAN, which certainly referred to be as a pacemaker, when it does not perform its working well. When it does not perform its working well, so the heartbeat would be disturbed or not. Again, SAN is responsible for maintaining the heartbeat. And what is the normal heartbeat? Which you have to remember that in 1 minute, the heart would have to beat upon for 70 to 80 times. Now, in some conditions, the heartbeat would be decreases. In some conditions, the heartbeat would be increases. जैसे कि हमारी बुक में 72 दिया हुआ है. अब यहाँ पे कुछ conditions और भी समझो और समझनी है तुम लोगों को यहाँ पे condition कि अगर heartbeat हमारी 60 से कम हो रही है, so that condition referred to be as bradycardia, which meant to be is that the heartbeat would be slow down. सबसे टॉप पे लिखा है मैंने, देखते हुए चलो. अगर हार्ट बीट 60 से डाउन हो रही है, so that condition shows us bradycardia कि हार्ट बीट आपकी क्या हो रही है, स्लो हो रही है. And when the heartbeat is being getting above from 100, it means that the heart is working more upon, and it beats more than 100, and that condition referred to be as what? Tachycardia. They both of the conditions when the heartbeat would not be regulated. So heartbeat would be regulated by SAN, and when the heartbeat would not be regulated, the heart does not produce the sound lubbed up. अगर heartbeat regulate ही नहीं हो रही है, तो heart does not produce the sound lubbed up, and it produces a hissing sound that's called heart murmur. When heartbeat not controlled, when heartbeat not controlled, it produces hissing sound that's called heart murmur. So what is heart murmur actually, by the way? When the heart produces the hissing sound, and now what is that hissing sound actually, by the way? What is that hissing sound? When the SAN does not perform its working well. When SAN does not making the beat up to the limit, that time the heartbeat should not be controlled. The heart produces the hissing sound, and that is called heart murmur. And when heart murmur occur In that condition, we're gonna have to introduce the artificial pacemaker onto the heart, and that's some of the battery which we're gonna have to put it into the heart. That is called artificial pacemaker. So ये एक और चीज थी हमारे पास, which you're gonna have to make it. And one more thing which I'm gonna have to target it over here, class. You're gonna have to see it over here. We're gonna have to make one of the condition that's called for cyanosis. So it would majorly refer to be as ASD and VSD. Now, what is that ASD and VSD? ASD क्या होता है? VSD क्या होता है? What is cyanosis? Anyone does know about for cyanosis? Except opening the book, except opening the Google, except opening any of the thing else, does anyone know about for cyanosis? Okay, so it referred to be as blue babies. When does it occur? When the baby would be in when the baby would be infant, when it would be fetal conditions, when it would be upon adult conditions. कब होता है ये? Adult conditions में होता है. क्या बताया गया है बुक में? क्या चीजें तुम लोगों ने? Infants, not onto the infant, but it would be occur into the fetal conditions. Not onto the newborn. Born नहीं. Not born conditions. मतलब into the fetal condition when the baby is inside the mother's womb. When the baby is inside the mother, जो blue babies आपको target किया गया cyanosis में, when the baby is inside the mother's womb. So they can be the victim of ASD or VSD. Now, what is that ASD or VSD? ASD, that's called atrial septum defect. It would be the conditions. It would be the conditions occurring onto the infant as well. It would be the conditions जैसे कि दिल में सुराख होना, माइनर सुराख होता है तो पेशेंट फिर भी बॉर्न हो जाता है, सर्वाइव करता है. We can shut off that septum as well, but mostly the book says regarding about for fetal conditions. So mark your word that if the blue babies is asking, so you're gonna have to mark upon the fetal conditions. Fetal conditions को तुम लोग mark करना, ठीक है? Okay. Now the next one which you're gonna have to relate. Okay. So class, cyanosis blue babies that come for the atrial septum defect or ventricular septum defect. Now, what is that? Atrial septum defect or ventricular septum defect? Yes, class. ASD, VSD. When the interatricular septum is having a hole, when the interatrial septum, जब दो atria में जो septum होता है, right auricle और left auricle में जो septum मौजूद होता है, अगर वो पूरी तरीके से form ना हो, so that defect is called atrial septum defect. Similarly, अगर दो ventricles के दरमियान septum से इस तरीके से form नहीं होता, so that defect is called ventricular septum defect. अगर ये defect है, तो circulation would be complete or incomplete. If there is ASD or VSD, अगर defect आ रहा है septum में, so the circulation would be complete or incomplete. Yes, you have to remember this, incomplete. So they can ask you about the circulation as well. They can ask you about the questions in a way like that. Okay, in cyanosis, the human blood circulation would be complete, incomplete. So you're gonna have to remember it would be incomplete. That's why the patient would be the victim of cyanosis. That's called about for blue babies. So that is the thing which you're gonna have to remember regarding about for blue babies, regarding about for cyanosis, which would be the victim of ASD or VSD. So class.